Welcome to Sew Feathered Fridays Beyond the Block. This week we'll look at birds of a feather. We'll start in the corner and do a feather frond. We'll do bump back feathers and continue down the ditch to the other side and finish up those feathers. We'll then travel up to the corner where we'll do an S curve to a point and back down. Go ahead and travel to the other side and repeat that process. S curve to a point, back down, and finish up in the ditch. If you'd like to see other videos like this, go to my Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. You can go to the playlist and also subscribe to see future ones. You can also go to sewfeather.com.